In December 2025, over the icy waters of the Barents Sea, two Norwegian F-35A stealth fighters moved in quietly as four Russian Tu-95 nuclear bombers flew with their escorts, unaware that they were being watched, not for minutes, but for hours, as fifth-generation NATO jets tracked them without ever being detected, collecting electronic signals and exposing just how vulnerable Cold War-era bombers are in modern airspace. And this wasn't a one-time incident, because weeks later, Russian Tu-22M3 bombers appeared again over neutral waters in the Baltic Sea, only to be followed once more by NATO fighters, proving that today's air power isn't about who flies the biggest bomber, but who controls the sky without being seen. Subscribe to Tactical America and never miss an update.